Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna solve another problem and that is drop duplicate rows. So the problem statement is that there are some duplicate rows in the data frame based on the email column and we have to write a solution to remove these duplicate rows and keep only the first occurrence. As we can see here in the input that for customer ID 4 and 5 they have the same email address. So we will be keeping the first occurrence that is Alice and we'll be removing the other one as we can see in the output. For this, we have a Pandas method that removes duplicate rows from a data frame, which is drop duplicates. So we'll simply be writing a data frame name that is customers dot drop duplicates, and then we'll be passing the column name in which we have to look for the duplicates. So that would be subset is equal to email. And as we want to keep the first occurrence, so we will write keep is equal to first and in place is equal to true. And then we will return this data frame that is customers. Okay, that works fine. So let me quickly explain it. So drop duplicates is basically a pandas method that removes duplicate rows from a data frame. And here subset is equal to email. This specifies the column in which we have to check for the duplicates. And keep takes the value that will tell pandas that which duplicate we should be keeping, like first, last. And it place is equal to true specifies that we are directly making changes in the customer's data frame. If we will set in place is equal to false, then what will it do? It will return a new data frame that will remove all the duplicate emails, and the original data frame that is customers will remain unchanged. So to directly change the customer's data frame, here we have written it as true. Let me quickly submit it. That was all for today. Thank you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.